Many banks and corporations are struggling when it comes to modernizing legacy payment infrastructures to meet the demand of customers and suppliers. They need a payments engine that keeps pace with rapidly changing demands and innovations, one that can process multiple rails of today and support digital currencies in the future. What they need is Nuvono. Built from the ground up, Nuvono is a transaction cloud platform that reduces cost and complexity to help you become more resilient and adaptive and deliver the modern payment services your customers and suppliers expect 24/7, 365. Whether your business is spending too much time and money maintaining a legacy system that's clunky and costly to update, or relying on numerous payment systems and complicated infrastructures, or struggling to make the transition to ISO 20022, Nuvono's one-stop solution is the answer. Our multi-rail solution provides a customization framework that allows you to streamline payment processing workflows and introduce capabilities specific to payment services. Nuvono's microservices architecture allows for seamless integrations, quick-to-market and improved user experiences, while a rich set of APIs allow you to tailor the payments experience and achieve straight-through processing. Reduce total cost of ownership, improve operating margins, and gain efficiencies, leveraging the most reliable, secure, intelligent, and robust payments engine. Nuvono, an innovative partner. Contact us today to learn more.